Hello friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. Today we are going to learn how to insert an element in a sorted circular linked list. Problem statement: write a C function to insert a new value in a sorted circular linked list. For example, if the input circular linked list is following 3, 7, 9, 11, after inserting your circular linked list should be 3, 7, 8, 9, 11. Algorithm: first you have to allocate memory for the newly inserted node and put data in the newly allocated node. Let the pointer to the new node be new node. Now this is the structure of the node: struct node, integer data, struct node star next. Now this will allocate the memory. Struct node star temp equals struct node star malloc size of struct node. Temp dot data equal array of 5. This is the data you want to enter in a circular linked list. Now after that you have to call sorted insert and star temp. Now the star is the head of the node. After memory allocation, following are the three cases that need to be handled. First case, that the linked list is empty. Since new node is the only node in the circular linked list, you have to make a self loop. That is, new node dot next equal new node. Now you have to change the head pointer to point to the new node. Now head pointer is pointing to the new node. Earlier this head pointer was pointing to null. Now this is the code. If current equal null. Now this statement is checking whether the head is pointing to null. Then new node dot next equal new node, head pointer equal new node. Second case, new node is to be inserted just before the head node. For example, this is the circular linked list 11, 22, 35. You have to insert 5. So after insertion, your circular linked list should be 5, 11, 22, 35. So first find out the last node using a loop while current dot next not equal to head pointer, current equal current dot next. Now after this loop, current will be pointing to 35. Now change the next of the last node to new node, that is current dot next equal new node. Now current dot next equal new node. Change the next of the new node to point to the head. Now earlier this head was pointing to 11, so 5 dot next is pointing to 11. Now at last you have to change the head pointer to point to the new node, that is head is pointing to new node. Now this is the code. Else if current dot data is greater than equal to new node dot data, that is the new node dot data is less than equal to the data which is pointed by head, while current dot next not equal to head reference, current equal current dot next. Current dot next equal new node dot next equal head reference, and head is pointing to new node at last. Third case, new node is to be inserted somewhere after the head. For example, this is the circular linked list 11, 22, 35, and you have to insert 30. After insertion, your circular linked list should be 11, 22, 30, 35. First, you have to locate the node after which new node is to be inserted. For this, while current dot next not equal to head reference and current dot next dot data is less than new node dot data, current equal current dot next. So after this, current will be pointing to 22 because you have to insert 30 after 22. Now second, make next of new node as next of the located pointer, that is new node dot next equal current dot next, that is 30 will be pointing to 35. Now change the next of the located pointer to new node, that is current dot next equal new node. So current dot next equal new node. Now this is the code. Else while current dot next not equal to head reference and current.next.data is less than new node.data, current equal current.next. New node.next equal current.next and current.next equal new node. In worst case, we traverse the whole circular linked list, which takes time proportional to n, and after that you have to just insert the new node, which takes constant time. Therefore, time complexity is big O of n. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this. Please leave us your likes and comments.